number. And we find 89 right here on our hundreds chart. How can I easily count by tens using my hundreds chart? Where do I go from 89, James?
99, then 109, then 119.
So you just go straight down the column, right? So hundreds charts are really helpful when we want to count by tens. We just find our number. If it was 42, all of our numbers that would go on that number line would just be straight down that column.
We have a 100 chart.
I know. You guys can take your hundreds charts out of your desk if you would like to as well.
No, we haven't in this. We don't have to.
You do, oh yes, you do have it on your name tag. Good job, yes.
I was just gonna say that.
Do we have to
do that anymore?
No, it's right here. All right, so number 4, first grade. Starting at 111, I want you guys to count by ones to get to 118. Colette, can you come up here and put our first number on our line? Starting with 111. Yep, good. All fixed. No, you're good. Thank you. All right, what would come next? Now you guys can just tell me out loud. What would come next?
112. 160, 117, 118.
Good. So everybody's number line should look like that, counting by one.
I'm done. Let me do it. Why is it so strong?
Want me to? I'll take it off for you. We'll see you guys, because you guys have your own hundreds chart on your desk.
Well.
That was the
All right, give me a thumbs up when you guys are ready for number 5. Ready for number 5. Ready?
Wait, is it 1-1? Is this the last page?
I think we have a couple more lines.
Are you starting?
We've got one more after this page. One more. Oh, thank you, Ava. Positivity, I love it. All right, number 5, first grade. So we have 2 friends that have 2, Alex. We have 2 friends that have 2 different number charts. Teresa and Doug both draw a number line starting at 27. So you guys see 27 on both of them. Teresa counts by ones 5 times.
What do you like?
Hang on, Cole. So Teresa counts by ones 5 times, and Doug counts on by tens 5 times. So let's start with Teresa first, because we want to know if they're going to stop on the same number. Do you guys think they're going to stop on the same number? No? Yes. Raise your hand if you think no. So they're one of them is counting by ones, one of them is counting by tens. Will they land on the same number? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Some think no, some think yes. So let's start with Teresa. We're only counting 5 times, okay? So we have 27 counting by ones. What is my next number on the number line? Cole. Good, and then what?
29.
Good. And then what?
Look how dirty the floor is.
Good. And then what, Cole? Good. Good. All the way to 32. And that was our number line counting by 1 5 times. What about our number line counting by tens 5 times? Owen, what number would come after 27?
28.
Counting by tens.
39.
Good. 37. And then what?
47, 87. Wait, what am I stopping at?
So we're counting on 5 times, guys. So you're only writing 5 numbers. So Luke, did we end on the same number with both number lines, even though we counted for 5 numbers for both?
No.
No, because one counts by ones and one counts by tens, correct? Good? Thumbs up? Did everybody get that? Does anybody have any questions about that? Did we all understand how those are 2 different number lines? Good? Thumbs up? Perfect. So this is our last page. First grade. What's up again?
Are we stopping at 77?
Yes. Thank you, Owen. So we have one more page, first grade. It'll take us about 3 minutes. All right, so starting with number 6. Starting with number 6. Dennis counts 41 marbles. Then he counts 8 more marbles. How many marbles did he count in all? Who thinks they know how to do this problem? James, I saw your hand first.
I know the answer.
What, honey?
I know the answer. And I know a way to do it.
All right, how did you get your answer? So if we started at 41.
77. So, I started with 1, and then if you add 8 more, then it would be 9.
But is 9 our answer? What would our answer be?
49.
49, good. So if you start at 41 first grade and you add 8 numbers, so 41 plus 8, what should we get? Matthias, 49. So let's add 8 tally marks counting by 1 on our number line to see if we end on 49.
What word? Wait.
So I added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers. And what did I end up on, James?
49.
49. Does everybody see how we got 49 first grade?
Where is it?
Cole, do you have a question? No? Molly, do you have a question? No, we're good? So give me a thumbs up if we understood how we got to 49. Good? So 49 marbles in all. Give you guys a little bit longer to fill that in.
I know that.
Good, Ava. All right, thumbs up if we're ready for 7. Ready for number 7. All right, perfect. So in number 7, we're going to do an addition equation, okay? Serena used the number line to count on from 12 to 15. So I want to complete an addition equation to show what she did. So I have 12 as my starting number. What should I add to 12 to get to 15? How many humps did I do, all right? That's what we're going to ask ourselves. Everybody write their answer down, and then give me a thumbs up when you're done.
12
Right
plus
here.
what though?
That's what you're figuring out, Cole.
12 plus 3?
That's what we're figuring out, buddy. How many jumps did we do to get to 15 from 12? So it's like adding numbers using our number line. You guys know how to do this strategy, right? James is ready. Miles, Eric.
I'm done.
All right, so Alex, can you fill in our equation up here, bud? 12 plus what? Don't rest your hand, remember? There you go. 12 plus 3 gives us 15. Good job. Does everybody agree with Alex?
Yeah.
Starting at 12, 13, 14, 15. We did 3 jumps on our number line. So 12 plus 3 equals 15. Perfect. All right, 2 more questions, friends. Is everybody ready for number 8? Okay. So on Monday, Kate puts 12 pennies in her piggy bank. On Tuesday, she puts some more pennies in her bank. She puts 19 pennies in all in her bank. How many pennies did she put in her bank on Tuesday? So on Monday, we have that Kate put 12 pennies in her piggy bank. And on Tuesday, she put some more pennies in there so that now she has 19. So 19 is the last number that we have on our number line. So 12 at the beginning, 19 at the end. What should I count by on this number line, Ellie? Ones. Good. So what am I writing after 12? Keep going, Ellie. Good. So we should have a number line all the way from 12 to 19. 12 to 19. So, how many pennies did she add? We started with 12 and ended with 19. How many pennies did she add? Derek? 7. Good. So we would do our jumps. 12 to 13 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Give me a thumbs up if you got 7 for number 8. Does anybody have any questions? All right, good. 7. So our last question, number 9. Tim showed his counting on his number line. Complete the sentence to show how he counted. Can everybody's looking at number 9, that number line. What did Tim count by? How did he make his number line? What is he counting by? Luke, what is he counting by? He's counting by tens. Good job. And he's counting by tens from what number to what number?
94.
From altogether from what number? 44 to
94.
what's my last number on my number line?
104.
It might, yeah, some of it, yep. Some of you might have the end of yours in the crack of your book. 104 is what he counts to. So he counted by 10 from 44 to 104.
That's where mine got.
Yes, it might be in the crack of some of your
Mine
packets.